Hi, welcome to the Kartssource channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the air filter on a 5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton flathead. Let's get started. Okay, so I've got all the parts laid out here. This is the original air cleaner stud. This is what holds the air cleaner assembly together. Here's where it goes on, right here. This is the carburetor. And you can see down there, you can see the little hole where it's supposed to thread in. So let's just get that down there. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. It's going in. Just gonna want to thread that in all the way. And keep in mind that even though this is the original stud, I have tapped and dyed both ends of threads, and I've also sanded the rust off of the surface. So that's what it should look like at this point. And now you are going to put on this gasket. This is the I use Briggs and Stratton OEM parts here, and this is what it is, the 271139S air cleaner gasket. And that is going to go right here over the top of the air cleaner spacer. The spacer is going to sit right there. But we're not done yet. We still got one more gasket to put in. And that's this one. So, put the camera down here. Okay. So you're just going to want to open up the bag. Okay, and you're just gonna take the gasket out. Hold on here. Okay, I don't have a part number for this gasket, but it goes right in here, in the bottom of the air cleaner spacer. So now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that on here. So make sure the gasket gets in there the right way. Okay, so should clip on. Another option is to put it right there. So now you gotta put it on top, and then it should click into place. Got that on. And next we're going to put the air cleaner base on. This is item number 691735. This is the air cleaner base. And as you can see here, it says this side up. So we're just gonna slip that right there. And then the air cleaner itself goes. This is an NOS part. This is new old stock. This is just saved from a long time ago. Item number 396424S. This is the air filter cartridge. And I'm just gonna slip it on here. It's kind of interesting that there's no gasket there. There you go. Hold on. Hold on, there's a little thing in there. Hold on. Okay, so I got the air filter on there. It kind of cut its own threads into the plastic of the air filter. So you might have a different experience, but that's just what happened here. I'm absolutely sure that this is the correct stud right here. So don't worry about that. And here we have the air filter pre-cleaner. This is item number 271466. And that's just going to slide over that right here. supposed to fit over snug, so it's kind of difficult to do one-handed here while I'm holding the camera. There you go. Okay, there we go. Now it's going there. Okay, so we're gonna turn this at this point. Okay, so we've got that on there now. So if you want long engine life, I would highly suggest getting an air filter pre-cleaner to keep the extra dirt out of your engine. I would just stick with the OEM if possible. You'll always know that it'll work. And then down here you can see the stud's still sticking out, and the Welch plug is right there. That's a big shiny thing. And sometimes this carburetor has a problem where the fuel, I believe, will leak out of the float bowl, and it'll come down here. Since this is an updraft carburetor, it'll come down here and it'll leak out from where the stud is poking out and from where the Welch plug is now. Ever since I put in the Welch plug, I doubt that it'll happen again coming out of there, but I do want to keep it from leaking out here because I don't have it on right now, but the throttle assembly goes right here, and it oftentimes drips onto the throttle assembly, which is a big... I can actually show you. Here. So yeah, it goes on like that, and the fuel drips onto the throttle assembly, which I can't imagine is good. So yeah, let's get back here. So you're just gonna put the these are M6 0.8 fasteners and washer, by the way, just so you know what size you need. It is metric. So there. Just finger tight should be good for that. Okay, and here I've got another nut to go on top. This is an M71 hex nut. So you just gotta thread it on there. And tighten it down a little bit. And there you go. You've got your assembled Briggs and Stratton 5 horsepower flathead air cleaner. Thanks for watching.